Believe me when I say I understand the pain of waking up to see your PayPal account that you've struggled to create either getting flagged or you are kicked out from the system completely. In fact, I missed so many opportunities, and I just watched how opportunities were slipping through my fingers simply because I did not have a working PayPal account or a Stripe account, which many of these foreign companies demand for payouts. And so I was just there looking at opportunity passing me by. But as human, out of the frustration, I sought out for help from two YouTubers whom I've watched their videos on how to create a PayPal account. And guys, I was being charged from them to create a PayPal account for me. One of them was charging me $85 to create a Canada PayPal account with a Canada registered SIM. All right, but the problem here is that I am meant to be renewing that SIM card every year, which is $85 every year. And I spoke with the second person who charged me a 20,000 naira to open my account. Of course, 20,000 naira looked fair to me at that time, but I had to sit back and I said, but I just watched these people's video. That means if everything was not shown in that video, there are crucial informations that these guys are hiding from us, and including you who have watched those videos. And those crucial information may just be the reason why none of my account has ever worked. I either get flagged, or I am restricted, or completely permanently removed from the system. And so I took matters into my hand to look for how to open a PayPal account. So I began to talk with experts. I began to do research. I did everything possible. And guys, I found how to get a working PayPal account even in restricted countries. And that is what I'm going to be teaching for 3 days, how to open a working PayPal account no matter where you are. What you'll be learning in this course, 3 ways of which you can be able to create a working PayPal account. Another thing we'll be taking is the required US account or Euro account, how to open those accounts so that you'll be able to link those accounts to your PayPal so you can be able to receive payments. All right, being able to transfer your money from PayPal into those USD accounts or Euro account or British account. Well, I'm going to be giving you everything that you need to do, and also I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you should never do so that PayPal will not flag your account or put a limitation on your PayPal account. Believe me when I said that I know the actual worth of this class or this course, but I'm not charging the actual worth simply because I want everyone out there, every hustlers out there who try to make something from the online space to have access, at least as a side hustle, to make something tangible for themselves from the online space. And this is why I'm just charging a commitment fee, because I know how people behave when they get things for free. All right, this class is just going for a 2,000 naira, guys. Like, this is the cheapest class I think you have ever paid for. All right, so this was just created so that we can be able to differentiate your serious from the serious. If you want to register for this class, it's very simple. Just click on the Get Access Now showing in this page, or any of the register or sign up button will take you to the place where you're going to make payment. And when you are done making payment, you'll be taken to the next page where you can join the WhatsApp group. And guys, that is it. See you in the webinar.